Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to compare two popular backend platforms. First one is Supabase and another one is Firebase. If you are a developer and confused about which one to choose, this video will help you understand the key difference. So let's get started. Supabase is a open source backend platform and Firebase is a Google's backend as a services platform. Supabase uses PostgreSQL database and Firebase mainly uses Firestore and real-time database. And Supabase based on SQL database and Firebase based on NoSQL database. Supabase easier for relational data and complex queries and Firebase easier for real-time and flexible data. And Supabase provides built-in authentication and it also provides built-in authentication, Supabase real-time database support and Firebase strong real-time database support. Supabase storage for file and image and Firebase cloud storage for files and images. And Supabase is a its functions for backend logic and Firebase is a cloud function for backend logic. Supabase is a more control over database structure and Firebase is a very easy to integrate with Google services. Supabase is a good choice for developer who prefer SQL and Firebase is a good choice for fast app development or who prefer NoSQL database. And Supabase open source and it can be self-hosted and it's a proprietary Google platform. Supabase is a pricing depends on uses and plan and Firebase is a also pricing depends on uses and plan. So there is no single winner between Supabase and Firebase. If you prefer PostgreSQL and SQL, then Supabase can be a great choice. And if you want to easy integration, real-time features, and Google's ecosystem, then Firebase is a strong option. Choose the one that fits your project requirements. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.